On Friday, 83 packets dry weed was seized inside the hidden chamber of the truck bearing AS02CC 0793 going towards outside state. There is 257 kg ganja in that 83 packets. Ambassa Police arrested the driver and his assistant at the incident. The market value of the seized ganja is approximately rupees 25 lakh and 70,000. Once again, Ambassa Police has found narcotic substance on Friday morning. 83 packets of dry weed seized on truck vehicle number AS02CC 0793, which was going outside state on Friday morning. Inside 83 packets, 257 kg dry weed was there. In the incident, Ambassa Police has arrested 2 peddlers. The cost of dry weed will be worth 25 lakh 70,000. According to the details, likewise every day the CRPT and Ambassa Police sit on a vehicle checking point at Assam Agartala Road of Bedbagan village on Friday morning. In that initial time, truck vehicle number AS02CC 0793 came, which was going outside state. After stopping the truck, they started searching and found 83 packets dry weed inside the hidden chamber in the truck. There is 257 kg ganja in that 83 packets. Ambassa Police arrested the driver and his assistant at the incident. Their names are Santosh Mandal and Gautam Kumar Mandal. Both of them are from Bihar. The market value of the seized ganja is approximately rupees 25 lakh and 70,000, said the Ambassa OC Vishwajit Debarma.
Tripura করার উদ্দেশ্যে আজকে আমরা বেদবাগান নাকাতে জয়েন্টলিভাবে আমাদের ত্রিপুরা পুলিশ সিআরপিএফ এবং আসাম সেল মিলে আমরা নাকা চেকিংয়ের মধ্যে একটা গাড়ি ডিটেইন করি, যার গাড়ি নাম্বার AS02CC 0793। তো ওই গাড়িতে চেকিং করার পরে আমরা সেই গাড়িতে ড্রাই গাঁজা পাই 83 প্যাকেট 257 কেজি এবং গাড়িতে 2 জন ড্রাইভার ছিল, যার বাজার মূল্য আনুমানিক 25,70,000 টাকা। এবং আমরা আম্বাসা থানাতে NDPS কেস নেওয়া হবে এবং বাকি
Under the act of NDPS, an FIR filed against them and they were taken to Dhale District Court by police on Friday. Likewise, who else are in connection with them in this case, Ambassa Police are searching. Reported by Shekhar from Ambassa, Chini Khorang.